Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to insert E and dash symbol in MS Word. It's guys very easy. First click on insert. Here you see insert option is available. Click here. Then here you see symbol option is available. Click on it. Again click on symbols. Then click on more symbols. Font select this one. Subset select this one. And character code is 2013 and click on insert. Shortcut is big size to see properly. Here click insert. How much you can edit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. This video is useful or not, please comment. Thanks for watching.